If the chart looks alive, but the pool's basically empty, congrats. You're not an investor, you're fish food. Here's your survival checklist to avoid getting absolutely wrecked. Red flag number 1. If the volume is under 1% of the market cap. If a token's trading volume is less than 1% of its total market cap, that's your first warning sign. What does that mean? It means nobody's actually buying or selling this thing. The project isn't sleeping, it's dead. You're about to become somebody's emergency exit. You're the last sucker through the door, the final bag holder, the person left standing when the music stops. They get out with your money, and you're stuck holding a bag full of absolutely nothing. Real projects have real volume. If the numbers don't match up, walk away. Red flag. Number 2. If the bid-ask spread is over 5%. The bid-ask spread is the difference between what buyers are willing to pay and what sellers are asking for. In healthy markets, that spread gap is tight, usually under 1%. But if you're seeing spreads of 5, 10, or even 20%, that's not a market. That's a robbery in progress. In this kind of market, you can hop into a trade easily, but you'll have major issues trying to get out. Ask the people who are day traders on Robinhood and why most professionals say trading on Robinhood is only for beginners. No matter what exchange or brokerage you trade on, if the bid-ask spread is over 5%, you're going to pay a massive premium just to escape. Red flag number 3. If the asset is only listed on one small, unknown exchange, run. If a token is only available on some no-name exchange that no one has never heard of, you just walked into a trap. Legitimate projects get listed on multiple platforms because they want accessibility and credibility. One exchange, that's control. That means the project developers or insiders can manipulate everything if a coin is located in only one place. The price, the volume, even your ability to withdraw. If you can't find it on at least 2 or 3 reputable exchanges, that's your sign to run. Now here's what makes this dangerous. When liquidity is fake, you can't sell without absolutely destroying the price. Think about that. You hit the sell button and watch your gains evaporate in real time because there's nobody on the other side to buy. It's a silent tax bleeding your portfolio dry while you're busy staring at green candles thinking you're rich. But here's the truth. You're not actually rich until you can sell and withdraw. And with fake liquidity, you can't do either. So always check the pool. Look at the TVL, the total value locked. The TVL is how much real money is actually sitting in that liquidity pool. If that number looks sketchy, there's your answer. So don't ape in. Then check the lock time. Ask the question, is the liquidity locked for months or years? Because if it's not locked, then the devs can drain everything tomorrow and you'll never know until it's too late. And most importantly, verify who's holding the keys to that pool. If a dev team controls the wallet, they control your exit. Remember the golden rule, not your keys, not your crypto. Never forget, if someone else holds the keys to the liquidity, then you're just there holding the exit door open until they decide to leave. Family, please listen carefully. If a dev team's wallet controls everything, you don't hold liquidity. If you don't hold liquidity, then you are holding a ticking time bomb with a pretty logo and some cool marketing slogan echoing in your head. And when the bomb goes off, you're the one losing money, not them. People, stop chasing hype. Start verifying pools. Real liquidity equals freedom. Fake liquidity, well, that's just a pretty cage. If this helped you dodge a bullet, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community that doesn't get swindled.